Welcome back, everyone. This is Unit 10, Lesson 5 and 6. Let's read the key vocabulary. The first word here is the word exhibition. Exhibition. H is silent. Exhibition. Like an art exhibition. معرض للفن. Art exhibition. معرض. حتى جاي من الverb exhibit. Exhibit. Exhibition. Number 2, planetarium. Okay, you can watch the stars, the moon, and things like this. Okay, planetarium. لو انت رحت Alexandria Library, you will find a planetarium. We have vehicle. A car is a vehicle. Okay, a taxi is a vehicle. Source, yeah, of information. مصدر, source of energy. You know that the sun is our main source of heat and energy. International Space Station. Asteroid. Okay, asteroid اللي هو الكويكب. أحيانا بيقولوا عليه a shooting star. We have guide, like a tour guide. My dad was a tour guide. Directions, I need to go all directions. Directions, اتجاهات. Go all directions. على فكرة directions تيجي بمعنى برضو يعني زي instructions. Follow the directions. You follow the directions. Railway station. Sidi Gaber is an important railway station. The Mediterranean. Sailor. Newspaper. No, okay. Lesson 5, around, travel around the world. I want to travel around the world. Clear, when I say something is clear cut, يعني حاجة واضحة جدا. It's a clear cut that Yasin does not give a lot of attention. Russia is a country. This is the biggest country in Asia. Russia, yeah. This is the biggest country in Asia. Europe. We have Spanish, speak Spanish. People in Portugal, people in Brazil speak Spanish. Travel. Flat. أنا قلت لك زمان كان فيه يعني misunderstanding that the earth was flat. Okay. Venetian from Venetia. Circle. Appear. Yeah, you appear word. شكلك يعني word. Englishman. في أغنية بحب اسمها I am an Englishman in New York. Asia. Informative texts. في نوع من التكستس اللي بيدينا معلومات عن السبيس اسمها informative texts. Informative texts. Hubble. اوكي، مرصد. ده نوع من الاماكن اللي بتقدر يعني مكان مشهور to study space. Achievements. Nearly. Diary. Keep diary. Date. We have journey. لما تبقى long و tiring بنقول عليها journey، لكن الصغيرة بتبقى اسمها trip. Perseverance. مثابرة. Perseverance. Probe. طبعا العلماء حتى الآن are not able to reach Mars، بس هم they could send probes. عندك probes ده ممكن يجيب لهم samples من أي حاجة هناك. Public transport. Winner. Entry. كل يوم بندخله في الدايري اسمه diary entry. يعني انت لو هتكتب النهارده May 26th ده اسمه a diary entry. diary diary entry. لكن ال keeping او recording your days او الايفنتس اللي بتحصل في يومك ده اسمه diary. Do you keep diary? Do you keep diary? a diary entry اللي هو الواحد بس يعني. كلمات سهلة جدا، تعال نحل عليها. let's go. يا ريت اللي يحل يقرا السؤال. This is page number 216. This is page number 216. Okay, تبارك. تبارك.
أيوة، ثانية واحدة. we need a lot of break. ثانية واحدة.
Yeah, we need a
a
lot
lot of
to come first at any competition. Perseverance يا تبارك. ممكن تقوليها perseverance. Can you say it again? Perseverance. Pers
perseverance
قسميها per
بر
perseverance. perseverance. yeah. جاي من الverb persevere. persevere معناها يثابر، ان هو يصمم الحاجة. perseverance. 2 اياد.
لا، هو أنا كنت هسأل بس ماشي. we saw a أو an نقط about Mars yesterday. ثواني. exhibition.
exhibition. What is your question؟
هو perseverance ولا معرفش اسمها ايه دي، معناها ايه؟
معناها تصميم، عزيمة، شبه determination. perseverance.
تمام ماشي.
okay. طيب exhibition شفنا عرض about Mars yesterday. good. عبد الرحمن صبحي. عبد الرحمن صبحي.
معك يا مستر. business buses and trains are example for public transport.
so we buses public transport مواصلات عامة. good. معتز محمد.
asteroid.
uh, Bennu is, which is a large rock that is flying through space. This is asteroid. 5. Abdullah Islam. Abdullah Islam. Most astronauts stay on the space station for about 6 months. Good. Number 6, Ru'a. There are many motor in the city, such as cars, buses, and lorries.
vessels.
Vehicles. Vehicles. H is silent. Vehicles. Vehicles. 7. Okay. Rita Sameh, we can see the positions and movements of the planets and stars in
Planetarium.
yeah, planetarium.
Planetarium.
Good. 8. Do you think it's possible to solve the problem of pollution? We can get the opposite of possible by adding. How can I get the opposite of possible, Kiro?
هتبقى
Impossible.
impossible.
Good. We add the prefix impossible. Prefix تيجي في الأول pre. Number 9. They live in a huge house. The synonym of the word huge here, Muhammad Meher. Muhammad Meher. They live in a huge house. The synonym, the same meaning of the word huge is.
C.
So here we have C, enormous, ضخم, enormous. Good. I can't stay in one place for too long. The synonym of the word stay, Ahmed Sameh. Ahmed Sameh. Ahmed Sameh. Abdullah Said.
remain.
So stay here means remain. The word public is Muhammad Meher. Muhammad Meher, yes. The word public.
ماشي مستر، هتبقى نموذج.
So the public here, the word public, when I say public opinion, الرأي العام. When I say public transport,
تبقى تاني واحدة.
so the word public is an adjective. It's an adjective. Number 12, you can make an adjective from the word Japan by adding the suffix Muhammad Ashur. If I need to turn the word Japan into an adjective, عايز أقول ياباني.
Japanese.
Japanese. Good. Japan, Japanese. 13. An astronomer called Ptolemy believed that the sun orbited the Earth. Orbited here means to travel in a curved path, a much larger object. يعني هو عايز يقول لك orbit. What does it mean orbit here? Yusuf Ayman?
Around.
So here, orbit, curved path around. This shape has no sides. It is a Muhammad Sabri. It has no sides.
Circle.
So here, circle. It has no sides. Number 15. There are no mountains in the or hills in the land in this land. It is Faris Ashraf. When there are no mountains or hills.
Flat.
Flat. It is flat. Good. Astronauts can send emails or phone calls to their families. Radwa Ramzi. Main. Make phone calls. Make phone calls يعني يعمل اتصالات. Good. That's wonderful. Now let's move to exercise lesson 5 and 6. Lesson 5 and lesson 6. Abdurrahman Hisham, can you do the dialogue? This is, guys, page number 218. 218, hurry up.
Mr.
Abdurrahman Hisham, yes. Walid is asking Tamer about some questions about his life.
Hello, Tamer. Can I ask you few questions? Hello, Walid. Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Have you never tried unusual sport?
In a question, we say, have you ever? Have
You ever?
you ever tried? Have you ever tried an unusual sport?
No, I have never tried unusual sport. What have you been dreaming to be since you were young? I have been dreaming to be an astronaut.
Yeah, to be an astronaut.
An
An
astronaut?
astronaut.
Why?
Why? Because I want to explore space. Well, I hope you will achieve your dreams.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very thank you. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Perfect. Okay. Read and complete the text, the sentences in the text here. So let me go to Sama. Sama, we have calls. We have plane calls, calls for astronauts, sends, and a spacecraft. The International Space Station is a huge,
spacecraft.
okay, spacecraft. عبارة عن spacecraft كبيرة. Above the Earth, it is a place
astronaut.
where astronauts, okay, live and work when they go into space. Many astronauts stay on a space station
4
for, جميلة يا سما, for 6 months. They can send emails or make phone
calls.
calls. Good. Phone calls. Choose the correct answer. يلا ياسين مصطفى. Is a spacecraft where people live and work.
Space station.
Space station. Good. Da is the person who works on a ship. Sailor. Good. The elephants are not small. They are? They're huge. Good. All people can use buses and trains. They're public transport. Good. Some fish have bright colors. The antonym of the word bright, dull. معناها غامق أو dark. To form the adverb from the word careful. We add its effects. Carefully. Good. Perfect. Carefully. طيب تعال نروح للجرامر. تبارك.
After they had won the match,
Yeah. After they had won. بعد after احنا قلنا بنجيب past perfect. Had won the match. They celebrated. I did not send a report until
أنا برضو
yeah.
had received تلاقي دي
So had revised. مش بس ed. مش بس ed. Had until I had revised. 3. When Hamza had come, the film.
started.
When Hamza had come, the film started. معناها في الأول حمزة جاء بعد كده الفيلم started number 2. يعني ما فاتوش حاجة. I wrote a reply to the email as soon as I
had received
had received it. Had received it. People much about stars until scientists had used telescopes.
didn't know.
Yeah, didn't know. Scientists didn't know. الله ينور عليك يا تبارك شطورة. Did not know much about space, about stars until scientists had used telescopes. Perfect. That's it for lesson 3 and 4. And now we're going to do the test together. Let's do the test. Okay. تعال نخلص مع بعض unit 10. Let's do the test. 224. 224. The lucky duck will be Yusuf Muhammad. Can you do the dialogue?
ماشي.
يلا يا جو.
أول واحدة.
Yeah.
ماشي. Yes of course.
So a
شوف.
student is talking to his and her teacher about the solar system. Nice to meet you, sir. Can I ask you a few questions? Yes, of course.
تمام.
What questions would you like to ask?
How many planets are there in solar system?
Perfect. How many planets? How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. What else?
Is the sun a star or planet?
Yeah, 8 the sun. The sun is a star. Is the
The
sun
sun
a planet?
a star.
Yeah. Is the sun a planet? No, the sun is a star. You can لو انت عايز تسأل هتقول what about the sun? What
تمام.
about the sun? The sun is a star, not a planet. How can we see the stars?
We can use telescope.
Yeah, with a telescope.
With a telescope.
Yeah, with a telescope. Yeah, the telescope is a good idea.
Thank you.
Thank you. عايش يوسف. ايش الشطارة دي؟ Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Number 2, read and complete the text with words from the following list. Iyad Muhammad?
Ayman Rajab is an Egyptian ثواني. engineering. لا scientist.
So Ayman Ragab is an Egyptian scientist or engineering or what?
scientist.
Scientists.
Is currently living in Finland. He graduated from the Faculty of uh, Engineering
So engineering at Aswan.
at Aswan University. He entered in NASA's competition,
NASA's competition.
NASA's competition,
Good.
and became second. His latest research was on ways to achieve sustainability and save energy when there ثواني. is
So sustain energy when and say there is little gravity. لما يكونش فيه gravity كتيرة جدا خاصة في السبيس. Good. Perfect. Read the following text and answer the questions. Read the following text and answer the questions. طيب. Roa, can you read this passage and answer the questions? Roa? Okay. Okay. Abdullah Subhi, Abdurrahman Subhi, can you start, please? Abdurrahman Subhi. Abdurrahman, hello. Hello. Okay. Rita Samih, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
طب كملي انت.
سامعينك يا مستر.
مش بيردوا عليا ليه؟ ايه الحكاية؟
In today's world, learning and technology go hand in hand. Technology has become a helpful friend in the journey of learning. Let us first say what is learning. Learning is like an adventure where we discover new things every day. It happens through steps of understanding, remembering, and using new information or skills. Whether it's reading a book, solving a puzzle, or trying something for the first time, learning is a part of our everyday life. Technology makes learning even more exciting.
Yeah. Okay.
Computers, tablets, and other devices bring lessons to life with colorful pictures, fun videos, and interesting games. These tools help us explore subjects in different ways, making learning a joyful experience. Technology helps us learn quickly from home. If we find something difficult, we can replay a video until we understand. It is like having a patient teacher who is always ready to help us when we need. This makes learning like an exciting journey full of discovery.
Okay, so the main idea of the text is
Learning and technology.
learning and technology. Good. Learning is
Adventure.
an adventure. What are the steps of learning something?
Steps of understanding, remembering, and using new information.
Yeah. يبقى number one, the steps of understanding. بعد كده number two. هو هنا بيحكي عن ال steps. What is learning؟ شرح لك. It happens through steps understanding, remembering, and using. يبقى أول حاجة to understand the lesson. بعد كده remember، ده يعتبر برضو level قليل شوية. بعد كده using، هو ده أهم level في التعليم. So okay uh, okay is like an adventure. Okay, summarize the last paragraph in 2 lines. آخر paragraph ده technology helps us learn if quickly. Yes.
Technology makes learning like an exciting journey full of discoveries.
Okay. يبقى هو عايز two lines. Technology helps us learn quickly from home. If we find something difficult, we can replay a video until we understand it. It is like having a patient teacher who's always ready to help us when we need. This makes learning like an exciting journey and full of discoveries. يبقى ممكن تقولي for example technology can make difficult things easy. زي هنا نتكلم عن الفيديو. It's okay. With these tools, learning، الجزء الثاني لما بيقول learning can become a lot of fun. ممكن يبقى في fun كتير جدا جدا جدا. طيب what do you think learning in the future will be like?
I think it will be exciting.
Okay, I think it will be exciting. It will be exciting. ممكن تقول براحتك، عايز تقول it will be
And advancing.
yeah it will be technology based. هيبقى technology based أو مرتبط بالتكنولوجي أكتر. How can technology affect learning?
Makes learning even more exciting and
Good job.
satisfying.
Make learning more exciting and engaging. And engaging. أهم حاجة الموضوع يبقى فيه engagement عالي. Perfect. عاش يا رضوى. Okay. ريتاج سامح. ريتاج.
Yes.
He's question number 4. He's a university graduate. The word graduate here means he liked, he continued, he started, he finished. He finished. He finished his study. The doctor advised us to use for my teeth. Braces. Braces for my teeth. The box was not as small as I expected. It was ريتاج سامح. The box was not small.
Braces.
That's number 3 يا ريتاج.
Sorry أنا آسف.
The box
number
was not as
3.
small as I expected. It was one
Uh, large.
large one. أحمد سامح. أحمد سامح.
معاك يا مستر.
Number 4 يا أحمد. ورد عليه بسرعة شوية من فضلك.
نمبر 4 في التشوز. هقرا السؤال.
أكيد يا أحمد، أمال إحنا بنعمل إيه من بدري؟
is an instrument designed to make distant object appear closer. Telescope.
So is an instrument designed to make distant telescope. Success in life is based.
أنا برضو
Yeah.
success in life is based on hard work. When the suffix full to the word success, we get an adjective.
So is
Noun.
success in life is based on hard work. We add the suffix full to the word success. Noun ازاي يا أحمد؟ لو احنا قلنا successful
ناجح adjective.
يبقى adjective successful. Number 6.
The antonym for useless is useful.
Useful. Okay. The antonym معاك زي useless يبقى useful. Good. طيب. Complete. يلا يا كيرو. Marwan hasn't finished his work. يا ترى اللي انهي time adverb بنستخدمه في الآخر؟
Yet.
Yet. Good. Before I had bought everything we needed.
Before I return.
Before I returned. Past simple. Adam came first in space in the race because he,
أنا برضو.
yeah,
He had trained well.
he had trained well. Had trained well.
Well.
Suhaila phoned her father after she
had known.
so she had known جدع يا كيرو before his death the author
had published.
before the author had published his latest had published. Okay, and that's it for test unit 10. Does anybody have any questions? يوسف اتفضل.
مستر هو في الريدنج comprehension ازاي تعمل summarize عشان بتلخبط فيه.
أول حاجة to read الجزء أو الجزء اللي عايزك تعمل عليه summarize. Number 2 تحدد المين information وتحدد details. يعني مثلا technology helps us learn quickly from home. دي معلومة أساسية. اللي جاي ده details. يعني بيدي example. If we find something difficult, okay, we can replay a video until we understand. يبقى ده شرح اللي قبله. أركز على المعلومة الأساسية. It's like having a patient teacher. ده يعتبر برضو details أكتر. Ready to help us whenever we need. This makes learning exciting and journey and full of discoveries. يبقى خلاصة ده كله بيقول لك إيه؟ بيقول لك إن التكنولوجي بتخلي التعليم بتاعنا quickly. It does not. We don't waste a lot of time. وفي نفس الوقت it makes it joy. بتخليه حاجة ممتعة. ده خلاصة اللي بيتقال هنا. زي في البيت لما تقعد يبقى عندك teacher patient. ده يعتبر example على الحاجة دي. يبقى تقرأ وتحدد المين information وتحدد supporting details زي الباراجراف بالظبط يعني. اللي عنده questions تاني اتفضل. Okay. All right, that's it for unit 10.